Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GCP Load Balancer health checks and logging, full guide step by step clearly. To verify GCP Load Balancer health checks and logging, begin by accessing the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the Load Balancing section. Choose the load balancer you want to verify from the list displayed. Click on the load balancer to view its details. Locate the backend section within the load balancer details. Check the health check associated with each backend service. Click on the health check name to open its configuration. Confirm that the protocol, port, and request path are set correctly. Examine the timeout and interval settings to ensure they meet your application requirements. Next, observe the health status displayed under each backend service. Check if any backends are marked as unhealthy. If so, investigate the cause by reviewing the specific health check logs. Return to the main load balancing page and select the Logs tab. Enable logging if it is not already activated for your load balancer. Review the logs to identify any errors or patterns that may indicate issues with health checks. Analyze the log entries for specific HTTP response codes returned by the health checks. Utilize the filters to narrow down log entries related to health checks. Check for any anomalies within the responses that could affect backend health. Next, verify firewall rules that might block traffic intended for the health checks. Ensure that the relevant ports are open and reachable from the load balancer. If you find misconfigurations, adjust the settings accordingly. Monitor the health status updates after making changes to the backend services or health checks. Regularly review your health check configurations to ensure they align with application performance standards. Summarize your findings and document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.